यार मुझे हर डांस डिफिकल्ट लगता है, हर डांस।
इससे पहले जब भी आप कभी इंटरव्यूज हुए थे तो बड़े रिजर्व रहा करते थे।
मैं अभी भी रिजर्व हूँ, वेरी शाय एंड ऑल दैट। द ट्रू गॉड ऑफ डांस माइकल जैक्सन, द ट्रू गॉड ऑफ द फॉर्मलेस डांस शम्मी कपूर। पैशन एंड पागलपन means the same thing. खा पी के she has got the energy in her, the mind is क्या बात है, well done आराधना, fantastic, well done, सब कुछ भुला के she just done. Hello everyone, thank you for being here. It's a pleasure for me to be here standing amongst these wonderful dancers who have just given an example of what the philosophy of the show is, which is सब कुछ भुलाकर just dance. Well done guys, big round of applause for all of them. Just another show. It is a mission. It is a journey that has been undertaken across the globe to find the best dancers in the world. And I'm very happy to say that it is a mission accomplished because I have seen the dancers and it is absolutely beyond anything I have seen in my life. So apart from being happy about that, I'm also happy that I'm going to get to learn. You know, watching these amazing talents, I will get to learn. Star Plus, I mean, hats off, salute to you guys. What they have achieved with this, which was just a dream. Monica, Anil, the entire team, Saul, my managers, Carving Dreams, who have produced the video, everyone has just outdone themselves. They have gone beyond their limits to make this happen. And you've seen the result, a little glimpse of the result, and it is absolutely... it's unbelievable. I'm just very thankful and very blessed. I feel very, very blessed that mere zariye, so many people are going to get such a big platform to showcase their talent, to make something of themselves, just to get that chance. And for me as well to be, you know, on the same platform with these amazing, talented people. It's a dream come true for me. I'm really just thankful and feeling blessed. Music! So awesome! Nice of it.
क्या आपको लगता है कि डांस एक पागलपन है?
देखिए, हर चीज जिस भी चीज के लिए आपने पैशन हो, तो पैशन एंड पागलपन मीन द सेम थिंग इफ यू आस्क मी. पागलपन दूसरे लोगों के नजरिए से अगर आप देखो तो इट विल लुक लाइक आई एम गोइंग मैड ट्राइंग टू गेट माय स्टेप्स राइट और ट्राइंग टू गेट माय वर्क राइट, लेकिन मेरे लिए इट्स प्योर पैशन. तो पागलपन इज समबडी एल्सेस पर्सपेक्टिव ऑन द पर्सन विद अ ग्रेट अमाउंट ऑफ पैशन. फर्क सिर्फ वो है. इस शो का जो ग्रैंड प्राइज है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द 1 crore in rupees and a car, he also gets to get immortalized in a video with me. तो ये एक ऐसी चीज है which I think which will be great, क्योंकि money you can spend or whatever you can hoard in the bank, but एक जो for posterity you have something in your hand that will always remain with you as a memory. I think that is something that is very innovative, very thoughtful prize for the contestant, and that can become his his show reel. It can become his whatever, that can really help take the talent further. Understanding dance is another gift. To understand up here, to visualize, to choreograph, I can't do that. Maybe I can dance well, but if you ask me to choreograph and visualize, I will have to go to wherever we, because खा पी के she has got the energy in her mind is so the beauty of that is something else, which is every single dancer in the world, if you ask them, will bow their heads down and respect the person who can visualize for them. That is a greater art, that is a greater level status, and that is the most respected in any field.
इस प्रोग्राम के लिए जस्ट डांस में कितना टाइम देते हो और इससे आपके जो फिल्म शेड्यूल है उसमें कोई इफेक्ट पड़ता है?
देखिए पड़ता तो है लेकिन अकॉर्डिंग टू मी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ सक्सेसफुल मैन is not how much money he has earned or how much success he has earned or kitna fame he has earned. It is about how he manages his time. If you are a slave to your time, then you are not a successful man. वो इंसान सक्सेसफुल है जो वो हर चीज के लिए, जो भी चीज वो करना चाहता है, उस हर चीज के लिए अगर वो टाइम निकाल सके, then he is a successful man. Time management. If you are controlling your time, then you are a successful man, and that is an everyday practice which I am learning. I need to learn now, because as you said, yes, there are too many things happening, and I do need to conquer that one aspect of time management. So I'm on my way to get successful the right way.
Which Indian folk dance और उसके steps आपको difficult लगते हैं?
यार मुझे हर डांस डिफिकल्ट लगता है, हर डांस.
Particularly Indian folk dance.
जब भी I start rehearsals, and this is a fact, I start from zero. I feel I can't do this, and then the process starts.
And he does it brilliantly.
No, then मतलब मर के I keep rehearsing, and finally something comes out, and they shoot it well. So वो हो जाता है. ऐसा नहीं है like how if you ask me, I'm no god of dance. I'm just a very very happy person that I have become a symbol for dance, so that through me so many other talented gods of dance will get an opportunity. I'm very happy, I'm blessed that I have become a symbol for something that stands for such a great talent. But apart from that, not the best dancer in the country, not the city, not even my neighborhood. Just a very hardworking dancer, I'd say. I have two. One, of course, is the true god of dance, Michael Jackson, and the other one, the true god of the formless dance, Shammi Kapoor.
इससे पहले जब भी आप कभी इंटरव्यूज हो रहे थे तो बड़े रिजर्व रहा करते थे, तो ये एक नया ऋतिक का रूप सामने आ रहा है.
मैं अभी भी रिजर्व हूँ. I'm still the same guy. I'm very shy and all that.
ऋतिक आपके इस रूप से मतलब मेरे सारे एक्टर्स डर गए हैं, मतलब जो आजकल के हैं ना,
क्या?
सारे एक्टर्स डर गए हैं जो इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के. अक्षय कह रहे हैं कि मैं आपके साथ फिल्म नहीं करूंगा, कोई डांस. व्हाट्स योर रिएक्शन ऑन दिस?
एक्शन फिल्म करेंगे मेरे साथ.